Once, there was a young traveler named Leo. He wanted to explore the world and find his purpose. He packed his bag, took a small compass from his father, and started walking. The compass was old, but his father said, "Son, this will always guide you in the right direction." Leo smiled and began his journey with hope. Days passed. He crossed rivers, walked through forests, and climbed hills. But one morning he dropped the compass. When he picked it up, the glass was cracked, and the needle didn't move anymore. Leo felt lost. He didn't know where to go. He sat down and said, "What's the point of going on if I don't know the way?" That night, he met an old man sitting by a small fire. The man smiled and said, "Why do you look so sad, traveler?" Leo said, "My compass is broken. I can't find my direction anymore." The old man laughed softly. "My boy," he said, "the compass only showed you north. It never told you who you are or what you want. Maybe now is the time to listen to your heart instead." The next morning, Leo woke up early. He watched the sunrise. It was beautiful. He didn't have a compass, but he felt something new inside, peace. He walked where the light touched the land. He helped a farmer fix his fence. He shared food with a hungry child. And every time he did something good, he felt like he was walking the right way. Months later, Leo returned home. His father asked, "Did the compass help you, son?" Leo smiled. "No, father, it broke. But when it broke, I learned something. I don't need a compass to find my way. I just need to follow what feels right in my heart." Sometimes in life, we lose our way, but that's when we start to find who we truly are. The broken compass was never a mistake. It was the beginning of Leo's real journey.